See, in this diagram what I did was I just drew some picture, yes, and I put some dots, yes. I put dots nearby on the boundary, and I made another one boundary also with dots, okay. Then what I am doing is you give a pen with a sharp nib or a toothpick, if you have anything of that sort, you give it to the child and ask the child to poke on these dots, yes. So it becomes an activity, it's a fun activity actually. See, you lift the paper and give, and when the child pokes it, on the dots, it becomes a hole. It's a fun activity, yes, but you be near the child, yes, so that the child doesn't poke this on his hand, yeah. And then what you can do is, once that is done, you can tear off this paper, all right. So why I did that as an activity was the child will learn to hold the pen, okay. Then you can tear off these paper, extra papers, yes. When don't tear off from the corners, don't tear off from the corner, okay. So what happens, the boundary is set. Now you can ask the child to color. So this is a hole, so the child will not go outside this, understood. So you are not keeping anything, so there is no obstruction for the child, but the child will not go outside this because there is a hole here, yeah. So I think this will so the child will stick to the boundary inside the, yes, so the square. You can remove this paper, you can just cut the paper. I am not cutting it from the corners, yes, I am not cutting it from the corner, okay. I am just removing it from here. So yeah, you can tell the child, the corner I am not lifting, yeah, I don't want to lift it from the corner, so that the picture sticks to the paper, okay. So now you ask the child to, might be you can keep a little more to the side so that the picture doesn't come out of the paper, and you can ask the child to color only inside this. You ask the child not to go outside this, okay. Might be before you give the color to the before you give the activity, you can draw the boundary, yes, you can draw it dark, yes, you can draw the boundary, might be only one line, okay. Do it dark. Yes, I am not able to hold the phone as well as and do the activity, okay. So now probably when you ask the child to color, the child will not go outside because it's a hole over here, okay. So the child might learn to draw it inside the picture, inside the boundary. Might be this might help, okay. This is another one activity, and this is all for the initial stages, okay. So this one I said was initially, before the child even knows to hold the pencil properly. Might be this activity, so the child has not learned coloring or anything, scribbling or all that sort. You can introduce colors in this way. So one day you can give a red color, another day green color and all that. So the child just has to tap the paper, yeah. So it should be fun, yes. So different colors you give, the child will start recognizing the colors, and the child will learn to hold the pencil, yes. So that way you can introduce the colors to the child, give different pictures, yes. And then this might be you can start off, I don't know how far it is going to help, yes, but you can just try. Yes, so that since it is a hole over here, the child might not go outside. So the child will learn to stand inside the, color inside the boundary. Okay, different pictures you can draw. So this can be done for the initial process. And afterwards, I think the second activity what I thought was, yes, the child, you ask the child to keep the hand, yes, and then trace the hand, yes. And now that the child has learned to color, yes, then you just take objects from the house only, yes. Ask the child to keep the hand, and see, I have just draw, the child has learnt emotions, is it not? So you have shown pictures and all that, so you can put those emotions over here, yes, those pics over here. And might be you can tell, okay, for which is happy, then for happy you give a pink color. So the child will find out, where is happy, it is over here. So since now the child knows, recognizes the colors, will pick up the color and will color it, okay. So this can be another activity for the second stage, yes. Not only this, might be you can take any object for that matter. Suppose one something square object, if you have, just place it, ask the child to color, Yes, and then you can give extra some fittings and you say, ha, you have drawn a bird. Yes, so like that. Yes, might be you put a circle, draw some beaks and that becomes a bird. Okay, anything, any object in your house, you take that, yes, place it and you just trace it. Ask the child to trace, might be you can also help the child to trace. So this becomes a second activity. Okay, this is just taking objects from your house and tracing it and ask the child to fill the color. Okay, then might be as the stage proceeds, yes, for the third stage, might be you can look into like this, you can draw some picture, yes, you can give some numbers and ask the child, okay, 3, you give some number over here, 3 means yellow, so the child has to see, locate, oh 3, it is yellow, so I have to put yellow in this. Okay, 4, what is 4? 4 is black, oh I have to put 4 black over here. So like that you can get pictures. Yes, might be even this you can make it into academic also. How means, see, suppose instead of 4, 5 and all, you add a bigger number, say suppose 10. So all these are 10. Okay, yeah, not here, you don't put 10 over here, sorry, you just put say 5 plus 5 plus 5. Okay, so here you give 10 means you have to give which color, okay, any color, black. 10 means black. Okay, so now the child adds 5 plus 5, it is 10, so the child goes here, 10 means I have to color black. Okay, so the child takes black color and colors it. Suppose here you want black only, instead of 5 plus 5 I can give say 6 plus 4. Okay, 6 plus 4, it adds to 10, so the child checks, oh 10 means I have to color black. Understood? So like that you can create some pictures. Yes, academic wise also the child learns and the coloring also the child learns. So this can be another, as the child progresses, might be for the third activity you can choose pictures of this sort and then make it academic also. Okay, so say suppose here it is 15, 15, it should add up to 15 means yes, 9 plus 6, you can ask the child, you can write here 9 plus 6. Here if it is 15, so might be, yes, anything, yes, 8 plus 7. Okay, so it all adds up to 15, so you give here 15 means yellow. Okay, so academic wise also it will help, so you can select pictures. Yes, there are so many in the net. Okay, so academic wise it helps, as well as coloring also you can do. Just try, I hope it sounds okay.